unlimited beef, unlimited shrimp, and unlimited chicken and pork. Dito yan sa Sangyup Korean Restaurant sa SM Damsa. At kasama ko si Jenel and our sponsor, her sister Kim, and also Tana. The vibe is really Chinese here, but there's a lot of side dish and meat to choose from. It's actually kind of fresh. So, let's dig into it. The sides are great and hindi ko kailangan magluto dahil puro babae kasama ko. Jenel actually likes the place and the food and thumbs for approval. The shrimp itself is fresh, so magugustuhan nyo. Naka 25 pieces yata ako nito. So yeah. And of course, siya na matagal siyang kumain, kaya naka-plummy din siya. Basta marami siyang nakain. And she started dancing. Anyway, the unlimited pork is also good. And ayan si Kim ang nagluluto naman and kumakain habang napapasok.